Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Easy WordPress Security, PLR, which launched on the 13th of October at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go over this new release from Jason Oikel with full private label rights. Haven't reviewed much PLR recently, but I wanted to do this one because it covers such a key topic at the moment, which is online security. And the last time we did another one of these that was security related, quite a few of you picked it up. And I thought that probably a lot of you would be interested in this as well. So it's a short video because it's one of those, it does what it says on the tin type releases. It's a private label rights course that shows you exactly how to secure your WordPress site and make sure that it doesn't get hacked. And believe me, these things are very easy to get hacked. When I launched my personal blog, dawudislam.com, on a WordPress theme, that was hijacked very, very quickly. So these things can happen. They're actually quite easy to prevent once you know what you're doing. So this is a great little course for you to protect your blog or website, or if you haven't yet got a WordPress site but you're going to set one up, I would pick this up before you set it up so you know what you're doing and what the pitfalls are to avoid. Now, of course, it comes with private label rights. That means that you can sell it and keep 100% of the profit. So you can sell unlimited copies of this. You can rebrand it and call it something completely different. I could call it Dawud's Online Security Guide or whatever I wanted to rebrand it as. That's entirely up to you. Or you can just sell it exactly as it is using the sales materials that are provided for you. Or you could give it away as a really great lead magnet. You could give it away as a bonus with a paid offer. You could use the content as part of a training series on your own website or blog. Loads and loads of versatile things you can do with this. And it's a steal, folks. It's under $10 to pick this up. So if this sounds like it's of interest, then listen on to this short review video. I've also put together some bonuses, some congruent bonuses with this. You can pick them up by clicking on the link immediately underneath this review video. Also, anyone that picks up any of my recommended products are automatically enrolled in my video mentorship training series, where you get sent a couple of videos a week. I'm a little bit behind on recording them at the moment, but normally it's 2 videos a week, about 20 minutes each, teaching you different aspects of internet and affiliate marketing. If you want to get them, it's straightforward. All you need to do is just drop me an email with the subject line video mentorship, send a copy of your receipt for this product and send that to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. Now that address will be underneath this review video, but I'll give it to you one more time. So just send me a copy of your receipt from this product, send it in an email with the subject line video mentorship and send it to contact@elite, ELITE, elitetigersgroup.org. As far as the bonuses for this product are concerned, you get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. I don't want that to happen, folks, because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of this product, because you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are more congruent and a bit more on message. So what is this all about, folks? With this brand new 8-part video course with private label rights, you'll finally discover how to properly secure your WordPress site and files in 2019, even if you know absolutely nothing about security. This 8-part video training course was designed for you to watch over the shoulder and fully understand how you can easily secure and protect your valuable WordPress site. And you can watch the sales demo video both here and on my bonus page. So let's head over to that bonus page now and just see what my custom bonuses are. So when you click on the link immediately underneath, you'll come through to this page and this video will be in here. What is Easy WordPress Security all about? Well, it's an 8-part video series, and that's the thing I like about Jason Oikel and his private label rights releases. Most people, if you've seen a lot of these PLR products, you'll know that they normally offer you a book version, like a text version of the course, a report, on the front end, and then they sell you the video version of the course as the first upsell. Well, Jason doesn't do that. He actually gives you the videos on the front end, and they're obviously the most valuable part because you're much more likely to be able to sell more copies of the private label rights training if you've got access to the videos. So from that point of view, easily, you can sell this course for $19.99, no problem at all. So just on your very first sale, you're going to be 50% in profit. Completely unbranded white label videos as well. A sales letter from a top copywriter, a complete mini site to sell this with graphics design, PSD source files for all the images, and transcripts and MP3s of the videos. And as I said, you can watch the sales video either here or over on my page. So these are the I recommend that you pick this up for your own use, by the way, as well, not just as a PLR product. So if you pick this up from me, what I'm going to give you, firstly, I'm going to give you this cybersecurity masterclass. So this will teach you everything you need to know about keeping yourself safe and secure online, not just for your WordPress site, but for your cybersecurity in general. So I strongly recommend, I would say it's almost worth picking this up just for my cybersecurity masterclass, give you a bit of peace of mind, folks. Also, this one might be a little bit scary, folks, but I'm including it anyway, yeah? This ethical hacking masterclass, yeah? This will actually show you, it's a very long course, this one, I think it's about 3 hours of training, how to ethically hack. Yeah, if you don't know what ethical hacking is, then watch the video, but it will also show you, by definition, how easy it is to hack into various things and how you can prevent it, folks. Yeah, so that's the second bonus. Then turning on to the PLR aspect of this product, so I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can make $10,000 using PLR videos. Obviously this product is a PLR video course. Another thing that you could use with this product, as I said, is use it as content for your website or blog. You could run a security series. If you're going to do that, then I'm going to show you 8 different ways that you can monetize that on your blog with this training. And finally, another thing, as I said, that you can use with this product is you could use it as a really powerful lead magnet. It would be excellent. And I'm going to show you 5 other killer lead magnets that you can use to get new signups. This would be an obvious example of one. So they are my bonuses, which I hope you can see are very congruent, as I said they would be, to the front end product. So let's head back over. As I said, Jason doesn't go in for overlong sales pages, which I appreciate. This is what you're going to get in your 8-part video series. So firstly, an introduction to WordPress security. Secondly, backdoors. Understanding how backdoors open up to allow a hacker into your website is crucial. That way you can protect yourself. Third, WordPress hosting. Fourth, protect your WordPress admin. Fifth, different security plugins. 6 video 2-step authentication plugins. 7, how to protect your files and images. And video 8, password protection. So that is the course itself. And then your PLR package includes, as I said, all the videos being unbranded, a professional sales letter to market this, mini site with graphics design and transcripts and MP3s. All the stuff you can do with PLR was pretty much everything except sell on the PLR rights again yourself. And as I said, all of that right now is for just $8.67, folks. This should really be a no-brainer decision, shouldn't it? So I don't need an overly long sales video for this. There are some upsells, don't have all of them spelled out, but they include a trial for Jason's Dealer Elite membership. And that, I think, is a $1 trial, and then you get a new PLR every month. And then there are 2 additional options that include getting everything set up. So that's a done-for-you setup. And again, that all comes with everything provided. So you have to have a look at those upsells, folks. But there is a done-for-you version, which obviously a bit more expensive. And then you've also got the trial of Jason's monthly membership scheme, which again I do recommend that you pick up, because you'll get a new private label rights product to sell every single month. And that's pretty much it, folks. As I said, it wouldn't be a long one. If you want to pick up all of these extra congruent upsells here, bonuses, just click on the green button there. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on buy now. Then that will bring you back to your Warrior Plus receipt area. Click on the green button to access your copy of Easy WordPress Security, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is pretty much it. Going to give this 4 out of 5 on the Elite Tigers Group rating. It's a product that we all need. I hope that you will pick it up, and I hope you've enjoyed this review video. All that remains for me to thank you for watching and listening. If you have liked it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath. You'll be informed every time I bring a new recording out. And until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Easy WordPress Security PLR.